Hello and welcome back to the third day Standup for the Flutter Firebase application development series. We've been looking at something super cool over the last 2 days. We just started with the creation of the Flutter application and connecting it to Firebase in yesterday's video. And once that was done, we could write and read, and a lot of fun stuff was done yesterday. What is up for today is that if you guys have missed a couple of videos that I've been posting in the last 2 days, do not forget, just check them out. And if you haven't, I will just quickly round up what we've been doing. We have been doing this Flutter application, which is going to be an anonymous feedback type of application. We've looked at something important like where we are going to contact the Firebase and store data there. But what is interesting for today's video is that we're going to be finishing up this Firebase part of the video. You're going to be finishing up this Firebase part of the Flutter application mainly because we have one important work yet to be done. One work wherein we're going to be using the shared preferences and we're going to be storing the user's ID in the local database of sorts. So once that is done, we can just use that as a contacting way and use it as a key to store data in the Firebase, and we can just read and write data. If you're finding it really confusing as to what I've been doing, I would very much encourage you guys to just go check out the last couple of videos where we'll be talking about how to develop an application from scratch, which will include talking with Firebase and storing data and reading data and all of that. Alright, for today's video, we'll be doing that, and tomorrow it's going to be fun because in this tomorrow's stand-up, we'll look at it, but tomorrow's video is going to be primarily about how are you finishing up the UI and UX, adding fonts, colors, improving the UI, UX appeal of the entire application. And once that is done, the fifth day is, as always, we'll be publishing the app store, and it should be fun from there on. Don't forget to check all of them out, but I'll be posting the video for today, another 4 to 5 hours of time. I need some time to make the video and release it, so don't forget to check that video out. Subscribe to this channel so that you can stay tuned as to when I'm releasing these videos. Let me meet you there. Until then, Smart, peace out.